Hello everyone, I am Susan Zam. Today we'll be looking at the family law. Family law. I have some words here. Dara. Dara is father. Dara, father. Ngo, de. Neng or dere is mother. Ngo, de. Neng or dere is mother. Gwa is brother or sister. Gwa is brother or sister. Ruas or ruash means male or mister. Ruas or ruash means male or mister. Hua is female, married. Hua is female, married. Hong is girl, single girl or daughter. Hong, girl, single or daughter. Wen is boy. Wen is boy. Guasha or guaha or gua is uncle. Guasha, guaha or gua is uncle. Hui is child. Hui is child. Hui Wen is male child. Hui Wen is male child or son. Hui Hong is female child or daughter. Hui Hong is female child or daughter. Sa is friend, male. Sa is friend, a male. Hui is friend, a female. Hui is friend, female. Home is my. Home is my. Nei is children. Nei is children. My, here home, you could say hui home, which is my friend, my female friend, or sa home, my male friend. All right, people, thank you so much for paying attention. I hope to come your way again. Do stay safe and God bless you. Bye.